Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to customize your Apple Music to make the background color adaptive. So basically what this tweak is going to do is it's going to allow you to make your background color change with the background of the cover for the music that you're listening to. It's actually really cool. So I'll show you guys really quickly. Obviously, the normal music app, if you use Apple Music, I have dark mode on, so my background is currently black. But if you have the normal light mode on, it'll be white. And basically for every single song, it's just the same boring black background. So now to change this and make it adaptive, all you have to do is go to your settings. And then what you want to do when you're in your settings is you want to go down to accessibility. And then once you're in accessibility, you want to go to display and text size. And then you see this thing that says increase contrast. You want to turn that off. And then when we close out of the music application and close out of settings and go back into music, you will then notice when you click your albums, it then changes it to the color of the music that you're listening to. Then if I change the song, it will slowly fade into the next color, as you guys see right here. So this is a really cool setting that you guys can change. It makes app music a lot more enjoyable to be in when you're listening to music. Anyways, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to change this setting on your Apple Music. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.